Hello everyone, my name is Farhan Ahmed and I'm the chairperson of Media Society at DHA Sufa University Karachi. And today we have gathered here at the main campus to cover a very important issue. Why is it so important for all the organizations around the world to shift to environmental sustainability? We have with us Fasur Rahman, who will be telling us what does he understand by sustainability and how he can make DHA Sufa University more sustainable. So Fasir, what do you understand by sustainability and how can you play a role?
Sustainability is all about making our environment green. Just like we can plant trees, we can transform to renewable energy, and also we can reduce the use of polythene bags, and carbon footprints.
Okay, that's very correct. DHS Safa University is spending millions of rupees on installing the solar panels. So one of the initiatives taken by the DHS Safa University is to transform itself to renewable energy. Safa University is spending millions of rupees on installing the solar panels. So one of the initiatives taken by the DHS Safa University is to transform itself to renewable energy. We'll be talking to Hamza, who will be telling us about his project and the new ways, innovative ways to become more sustainable. Yes, Hamza.
Now, in order to make DHS Sufa green, we have taken few initiatives. Like, for example, we are about to start our drive where we will be planting as many greenery as possible. Other than that, we'll make sure that all the electricity components such as lights and the fans are converted to power saving ones, so that more energy can be saved. And furthermore, I would suggest that DHS Sufa can use water saving taps in their washrooms, because as we know, we have a habit of leaving our taps running, so that would be quite useful. The main idea of sustainability is to use our resources effectively so that the future generation can use them as well. So when we will take these initiatives, we will make sure that these steps taken will provide a better future for the upcoming generation.
Awesome. As we understand, that sustainability is all about meeting your demands without compromising the ability of future generation to meet their needs. So we have got with us Muzammil, who will be telling us about what his project is all about and what solution does he have.
So the solutions we come out with is manufacturing industries should use renewable resources like solar panels, wind, and coal for using energy. And as they use a lot of paperwork, so they should make it on digital instead of using paper. We should save papers to make our environment green, and using machineries which are efficient in electricity. So the less consumption of electricity will save our energy.
Awesome. As we understand, Muzammil has rightly pointed out that we have to digitalize our organizations, and that will also fulfill the dream of digital Pakistan, where we can save energy, we can save time, and solutions will become cheaper, better, and easier. Thank you.